Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your promo code to your order on the Wolt Delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. You should select the product that you would like to order and click on the View Order button. Tap on Go to Checkout. And then you should scroll down, and here you can find the Wolt promo code section. Within the payment section, tap on this feature, and if you have a Wolt promo code or gift card, enter it below to claim your benefits. Here you have the Wolt promo code bar, so type in your code. And then click on the Done button, tap on Submit at the top, and if it is a valid code, then it will be applied. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.